Hubert Gyau. What to say?
Hubert Gyau is about 8.
Oh yeah, there. The qualities they may pick as a press resistance. True or false?
Once the castle will lead about 8, you know. The castle with me crab ball, close spaces. In the first touch, under pressure, you can pass well. But I score for seeing Hubert Gyau.
Okay.
The Hubert, you know, I dear Hubert, a money you who free money. I love the boy for this. One vertical pass, I be doing 110, you know. Now, Obi a BM or
so redirecting possession.
But name I'm not no. Obi Kokran, ko wait me.
I say Jiji, so can help you swap partners.
Sana we mo de nete.
Walid ne Kamara.
Yes.
Omi Jiji na ball so che.
Me say a Pierre McCarthy ne yamba Hubert no. A Pierre McCarthy doesn't stay on the ball.
Until ball.
But 10 ya, obeti answer at your crown. No, he doesn't care anymore.
No, ma attack ni.
But what to one at no. Hubert Gyau no.
But name amobe ye keche kakra. Baba ya mo de ne be dirigina so kakra be ka so touch ball ni too much.
Hubert angles are second left ebono. Obi take you offer. On person be say passing into obeti ma Botrevella ko. Who so Botrevella down? Hubert.
See. Jana
Hubert. Who so Botrevella down? Hubert Gyau. Who so Botrevella down? Obo right, or dominant right. But me fa say ko pass hano more comfortable hano.
Hano so the left in the chassis. Two so then see na aish.
Oh, Hubert. On the back be Vincent Gyau. Yes. I want to say another solid player. But yeah, Vincent no go free bench at the back because Vincent.
All right, the big announcement has been made. One of the big announcements, or one of the many to come. And as we said, and as we'll keep doing, said ye di kai you know, Abrantia ye can so no de would di kai the medicals. Our Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko has been announced. Sisia de or ye a player for Asante Kotoko. Now me be ready statement Asante Kotoko de buy, you know. Now word to word or paragraph by paragraph, you know. Ye to me be mun kakra na fe ye to me hu. The first announcement for the season. Ewo akra Asante Kotoko aso you know. Ye di kan catch man say. A free and ne air announcement of players are Ebano, a bet to us to say ya, a bet bassa. Now, a top former, per se, we want to feed supporters, the subscribers, and everyone. Nakuma, Edi Krobia Kumasia Asante Kotoko. My young comment section, Ewo Abrantia Asante Kotoko officially, Omodia Tuja say, Waye Krobia player. Now the statement reads, Asante Kotoko are pleased to announce the signing of midfielder Hubert Gyau on a 4-year deal. 4 years na branteno ebesia kan ediama krobia Asante Kotoko. Also the 20-year-old joins from Chelsea, where he made a strong impression over the last 2 seasons. Now, Hubert Gyau joined Chelsea now 18 years. Ebra Samuel Boadu eko Brekum no. Now Branton 18 years. Branton kora yeswa. Samuel Boadu cancer no bra. Na be ginem finfin wonu si aka na yehwe. Now the report is that the first game oboya Samuel Boadu hu na and was a papa, you are part of my team and wouldn't ginemu until who say Hubert Gyau a midfield dynamo or ye versatile. You can't player be a versatile baby positions bebre and Abranton it to me a ball. And or say after breaking into the side in the 2023-2024 campaign with a dozen appearances as an 18-year-old boy, that is Sabreno, he went on to establish himself as a mainstay, making 27 appearances and becoming a key figure in the middle of the pack. Now, the Epache said this season year 27 appearances and a Hubert Gyau a make year. Now, Abrante Yameno Krenim from nowhere, Baba a player for arguably the biggest club in Ghana and one of the biggest in Africa, Asante Kotoko. Bebuama Asante Kotoko ever registered for the African campaign. Now on also to Miabwa. The report is that Hubert Gyau etumi bob midfield positions nina. And see number 6, number 8, oko wings what my the 11-7 and even number 10 no Hubert Gyau etumi ebo. Now we would want you to listen. Hubert nankas ne strength on the field, especially in the middle of the field, you know. You bet church him no the one so at the amount. No what ye who abrantia war ban the bob breast the city said you see bonny ball. Why crown abrantia no and they on so a bonny ball. I see at the Hubert general or twice so got a statement and I say Gyau arrives as one of the hottest young talent in the Ghanaian top flight, comfortable playing anywhere across the midfield. He brings composure, energy, and intelligence to the heart of the team. Now, Hubert Gyau didn't say sing grata so sign you know. And also I say, I am proud to be joining Asante Kotoko. I believe this is the right place for me to develop further. Also, Abrante Baya, we in the medicals, you know, almost about 3 weeks ago, and Abrante Koya interview because can say Asante Kotoko there, and ye hona or born a quacosi. Now, or pretty one say after 1 year, pepe. They say, or when any man is Abrante Naba, no was say, aha, and yet a beer was top word, you know. And say, my aim is to help the club win things immediately and use this opportunity to take another big step in my career by earning a move to a top European club one day. Zinani so adi hu yansa Asante Kotoko bebwa no ema nani so adi hu na da so se dachi bia no obebawro mo Europe na wakosi akan de ama clubs akese ni bi et say Liverpool num, Chelsea num, Barcelona, Real Madrid num no etumi akoye nani so adi hu no se dachi be betumi aboa enti wo meka ho ema dom no enye dodo. He is not just adding to the numbers but also immediately oba ema nyoma etumi akoye. At the about 2025-2026 season, Asante Kotoko first signing officially. Players in the say Bebre medicals, Bebre signing every aka unveiling. In Zamenka said the first player Asante Kotoko unveiling no. My partner home to ma. Eyi curtains na free nanim, eyi veil na free nanim who say, "Well, ye player for Asante Kotoko no." Eya branch Hubert Gyau. Ye beti no hon sam kakra. Said you see born the ball. Said you will sit down and who on fini ho. And then why pona was seno the ball bono esi eseno and who could be now. You don't forget to subscribe to Inside Kotoko here on YouTube. Na ye would also etumi akoso nyame adomo a Asante Kotoko she training ase this week echena na expect abrante Hubert Gyau ewo Adako Jache. Hubert Gyau Kotoko, new boy, will be at Adako Jache na while yet Jumano and so at the Abensi supporters are around Obia baby Abetumi Adako Jache. I mean Abechina Kotoko said trainer said pet Hubert Gyau will be part of the squad or a player for Asante Kotoko. Yamo Akwaba here under Sir Obed Network. The can say Hubert, dear way no ma ebi meka ho. Wenimbre ensia kan former crobia na wuyem esia kan de makrobia ayi obi na abema waduane kran se wadidi oda ho na aduane no sogu anum Asante Kotoko team no eyi wo man sum na wosum ye ya wabrabo no ebekoye kama and so to me ediama. So welcome to Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Hubert Gyau achina Kotoko she trainer se a Hubert ebesi form. And other players will be unveiled. Now, also, Ababa Twaswa, Jumano, Eddie Makrobia Asante Kotoko. My NT Hubert Honsam Kakra, the analysis on Hubert Gyau and the Kotoko assigning.
Charles Kamara Jemfi Wudium.
Charles Kamara is an upgrade on Baba Yaya.
Ako fast maba. For the room for no one yada Baba Yaya also pimp or the yanka ho asem. Mreno koreko time
Baba Yaya. Baba Yaya for a crew darling boy.
For a crew Messi.
But Baba Yaya I'm feeling no. Baba Yaya na me share na me dim kobo.
So Charles Kamara James. So Kamara is not a winger.
No. So you bought Kamara as a winger?
No. Person na aka. So na ne ye adwuma.
Kamara is a 10.
What na ye adwuma?
Kamara or you out and out 10.
Number 10.
Yes.
On your winger. What no got 2 wings a breach yabo. Sa Peter akwa mo wings na ye nko no ntimi nko bi. Anyesa.
Kamara doesn't run with the ball and he doesn't run without the ball. Peter runs with the ball, he runs without the ball. Kamara
there's a ball in Kutan Kwabo say Peter too many space near about
yes.
That's when he's running without the ball.
Yes, no
Kutabo ni di Johnny Apple.
I was so far home actually na so.
But Kamara then a farmer me. Madane. Do the player be wa manone describe Kamara so that people get an idea of how he operates, how he used to play.
Alex Saint Maximin.
Bobby Fofro.
Almost have to say. Alex Saint Maximin.
Bobby Fofro. San Newcastle boy na Bobby Fofro. So the kitchen and nine and number so bejina fa kwa on kone nim na say the 9 and number no so no atwe ba ko na ye Bobby Fofro.
Obi Fofro am bono. Elipa ne ba wo suru we drum the camera ba ka to ho. I say me so what say
no ne born it is sir.
Ne born Kamara is a natural playmaker who juggles a lot with the ball.
Okay.
Na Kamara star no. The person me catch Kotoko fraternity ni na say Coach Zito Emma Kamara hu ni role obetimi abono ade aboa Kotoko. Asema person me kana no. Na mom sa o say Kamara is one of the best players to keep the ball for you.
Okay.
Mekasa what I say.
Mitiopa.
Say players are pressure any omoso. But no one have pressure any no so no. Kamara is one of those players. But what you need him to do no, tell him.
So you need proper direction.
They make me a kafa Kamara.
Now Otiasem, now Sutias, is he willing to learn?
So sometimes which man your baby no to be control no, but Brand wants to my baby for.
To won out to me control.
Oh line American.
Oh yes, our place now. More tactical work and no you was no you actually.
Oh bana. Oh no one thing. But Brand wants to my
baby for. Okay. The baby and Subaya are better.
Yes, Sana born it here. Ousmane Dembele
Basa go start
Ousmane Dembele Basa for him say you know there be a hospital player. They say of the Louis Enrique. That is football.
It's a code. No, a code. They are mine. Judy. Walid Neymar. Go start. Yes, mo pe Walid Neymar.
Enti ga me busa say wa sign now on signing. All right. Enti am to bo ase.
On signing.
O kan fa star store.
On signing.
I don't know who be ani.
Walid abedu baby.
Say boy, me start sharing nations. Me ko game me sharing nations. I want na be chia me Walid. Say me coach no bo ase. Yes, squad na sa time no wura line up no mu yie. O ka yes squad e wo bo ase no. Ono konto set to say players ana Walid. Ono so no typical 8.
To one the nation na say hu no baby.
Yeah. Na bibi ani no. Na me shakabu. And also the boss echo, not in the boss, in the agent who said manager no moko.
Judy.
Walid, honestly a very good player.
Walid need
different players. Okay. Different players. Walid is a coach man can say we from me fan crazy. Or 8. But we have because of 10. Sana Walid it here.
Unimpasse.
Yes, unimpasse in bonus ujina. Or progressive passes, he plays close to the box. I didn't know he had about 10 no. But a typical 8. He can dance on the ball.
Hubert Gyau. But now when Walida.
No me difference between Onone DU. DU is just a winger. DU to say
Peter Aqua.
But Peter Aqua to say Gareth Bale. And DU to say Obo Ozil one chain. DU no can dribble, but Peter Aqua is not a dribbler.
On a pace.
On a pace and direct. But DU there, any part to grab our means or the who free. And you dribbles inside. He doesn't dribble to cross.
Okay.
Or dribble back box on San with Jabo Nato.
To I was supporting 10 from the wings.
Yes. But Kamara is central attacking midfielder. Come on, Conchen and chain.
Tun Chen Wokuno.
No, Kamara.
Abba
has Abba ball.
Hubert Gyau. What to say?
Hubert just bought 8.
Oh yeah, dear. The qualities they may pick as a press resistance, true or false.
Also, the castle will lead ball 8, you know. The castle with me crab ball, close spaces. In the first touch, under pressure, he can pass well. But I score for seeing Hubert Gyau.
Okay.
The Hubert, you know, I dear Hubert, a money you who free money here. I love the boy for this. One vertical pass, I be doing one 10, you know. Now, Obi a BMO or
so redirecting possession.
But name Amodi, you know. Obi Cochrane, go with me.
I send Jijin, so I have
Sana we modi ene
Walid ne Kamara.
Yes.
Jijin a boss so check.
Me say Pierre McCarthy ne yamba Hubert no. Pierre McCarthy doesn't stay on the ball. But 10 ya obetimi asa atwe crown no he doesn't care anymore.
No ma attack ni.
But we want to one ato no. Hubert Gyau no.
But name amobe ye keche kakra. Baba ya mo de ne be dirigina so kakra be ka so touch ball ni too much.
Hubert angles are second left ebono obi take you offer on person be say passing into obetuma Botrevella ko unzo Botrevella down Hubert
see Jana
Hubert unzo Botrevella down Hubert Gyau unzo Botrevella down obo right or dominant right but me fa say ko pass ha no more comfortable ha no
I saw the left in the traffic choose or then see aish.
Oh, Hubert. On the back we Vincent Gyau. Yes. I don't say another solid player, but yeah, Vincent no go free bench na the back because Vincent hono no na ya call exam ya no. E ta bo na actually but Dory no so about hono.
But Dory
dey benjini di.
So the work council unje but Dory ndi.
Or old or orthodox 6.
Typical 6. So, but Dory replacing Blay. Who say?
No, Blay more intelligent, the same Badori.
But
and I come for Prosper watch it. Scout well.
Mediama.
And no one had a Blay and I'm sorry to Blay. 6 when you born na Kotoko pe.
I got that small day anyway.
Badori. As I was a myself be anward and I enter because of for me Baba ya home. But we talk with the reality. Badori bejra boss some pressure be fan be loses but same team man back to for.
So Badori the any traditional Ngolo Kante was 6 in it.
Yeah.
Never so big giddy and tackle and farmer creators nasa.
But no, not
say no 6 for no crest or jail to me pass it Markum, you know, be as an episode.
Yeah, and I'm making say Badori no type of 6, you know, and you could lie. And you will taste.
I'm pet.
Ebia only the 2. Unya winger na attack a bit of a sustaining pressure no up high amount, upfield amount. Actually, my uncle game no.
That's what about double pivot.
No, that can home.
No boom, my uncle amount.
But say open a start as Blaze say no. Scout.
Sadiq Alasan.
Sadiq Alasan.
Nations.
League.
Wild Stars. Yeah. Karela. Or not to replace Blaze to say.
Perfect.
Neither Badori didn't answer so.
Oh, cool. But they are different. This guy is a passing 6. Anything I can't blame. Blaze is a passing 6. Agaras is a passing 6. But Badori has to polish a lot of stuff when the game. Players are also effective without the ball. No? Or you're raw.
Or you're ineffective without the ball.
No, Bruni here. No, I'm fine without the ball. It's on the ball and Bruni has here.
It is a ball.
And nothing I coaches, no crowd coaching and more on the ball. No? Without the ball, no, coaching without the ball, no, setting up structures without the ball.
There's a coach, each radio bond, so we move.
And no, it's difficult. Since say, Ogia is because Ogia is saying already, no, any party when it's triple that.
But you are okay with Sadiq. So imagine Kotoko getting these additions. Sadiq Alasa, Hubert Gyau.
Sadiq Alasa between team man. Sexual. Sadiq Alasa, when you answer too much. And now you'll be on my member alone uncle. Sadiq Alasa, baby, I would do say, I want alone uncle.
When you can.
Yes, I will be kind of, and you but the game never done it to say pillow the enemy.
Senior man for Lano.
Or you calm on the ball, son, person. I bet do where he thinks ahead of the other players, so he defensive job on the free, so son, person. He has a lot to give you on the ball. So you don't overload him without the ball. Sadiq Abedra, Sadiq said, you are Hannah.
Just obey senior man. Just send them like a blade bono.
Jordan the Poku drew baby for Kotoko, no. Without the ball, no new row.
But
baby on one Penamunjan and Pemano, or no bedroom baby, or the ball, no turning game as an outlet. Edema Kotoko. Sadiq Asalasa is so intelligent on the ball. You need him 100% on the ball.
So Jai, other one of my team men.
Intino and so partner no be. Okay, as a lone anchor now man honchre no. Casemiro at Manchester.
Tina no ball on Abdul Karim.
Abdul Karim free hon on a culture bedroom as a boy. Culture bedroom hon on a Kevin and Puff. But Kevin and Puff is one of the best sexes away league. And until the nation see it on say no. Meaning boys in
To nations is okay without Sadiq.
When is a Karim never replace now? Kevin and Puff. Look out for that boy. They be okay.
I know na so she goes be no.
On kick on two that time we should die. Me and man man body Kevin and Puff. Even at some point they ran away to a boy on a Sadiq in a boy. Most of the big games on a Sadiq in a boy. Yes, or you're good tackler. Boy no, I'm Puff. You're a good tackler. And we say the nation is the because he has to start. And then an American. There are certain players unless you want to we don't win bench next season. And Bajuka Chiro, Sadiq Alasa or Karim Oho, M1. That is the point.
Nyama more playing time.
Kevin Ampofu.
Well, no, I've seen that guy. Stand and say he scored some brilliant goals being in the league. You might even think that he was a forward in pool.
Kevin Ampofu, well, you're a very good boy. Or George Bono or no paper bonus so called. Or man weigh 50%, or man weigh 50%.
Defensive, offensive.
Yes, or you're good. And so I'm pushy Sadiq Kamanakono.
So imagine Kotoko Sadiq when you.
And besides, no one some nations or Africa, Sadiq, no,
Africa.
And African Amaso. So preparing the team for next season, but the culture or Sadiq or Karim or they also have another boy. What name is on the Victor Druno. Name is on that boy no crown. Ah, stop playing with but nations were large squad into boy known to me. Well, you're 8 on our bottom when you badge home. The beer no ding last for catching say football club now be ding. I can't say Messi when we the talent and one man starting 11. What all the best of a channel? No new one can starting 11. So only a ding Saka home. Apart from so many prayer for all of that, and that's what it's a what dressing room. Because you born a boy, about people on chain. So Sadiq here, Kotoko a good player, Babo Kotoko has any better home.
But in a long-term project.
Well, of course, Sadiq beats me about 2 solid seasons amount. Now, so now, when I be a can, now prepare vision, and I will be there. Or can any panel show no be so efficient. Sana the you know. But Dory the other day, let's see what happens. But football there, wait me about say Casemiro no boss alone and by Manchester. Oh, Asante Kotoko no ball as a CDM. I couldn't even changing the game now. Yeah, sure, but Dory, how bet me adapting.
But Dory buy
Sir.
Okay. But it's in the pipeline.
Okay.
Between on Vincent.
So, but they are follow league.
Between on Vincent.
Vincent, Ajay.
Yeah, Vincent Ajay. That's all by him a catcher. But I said Chelsea feel that.
So, what do you make the Asante?
Team
Vision.
No, honestly, Nyanda 20 boy.
Some boys,
Nyanda 20 boy.
Or showing no yet or chong. Or Bopas and I am show.
Under 20 boy.
Oh, say, boys, wouldn't mean answer born as well. Oh, coach, a criminal or show born we are. Then you find out your weakness. It is a weakness, you know.
Oh, so no. Such a player. It's our entry. Oh, Yaya. Oh, per Walid. Oh, per Kamara. You don't need him.
Oh, of course.
Sana not the NFL.
Sure.
You don't need him because.
Now, Ishmael swear 61.
Ishmael would have been my preferred choice. Honestly, so far Sadiq, who in team menu, I would have preferred Ishmael no Afajewu. Because Gyau is 19 or 20, Ishmael is 18.
Ishmael is a solid player.
And when you Ishmael, when you Gyau, maybe you have the entry edge no more. You have a solid midfield three.
And of course, midfield depth.
What did I say? These are guys who can run and all comfortable on the ball. But Edmond, oh, initially kind about Edmond, I've seen that guy. Now the U20 boy.
Yes.
He loves touching the ball so much, but
set piece, set free kick about that.
Yeah.
One say so, but there's one thing I remember about ball. Ball say see a chira ball, see a chira ball, pa neka crab you.
No, most of them you have to bring it from deep.
Naturally, so who be tackling blocks. So who be then a coach
in the
BB other true weakness or support weakness no maximize our strength and that identification of these strengths and weaknesses and my coach in good analysis and all that. Me no because I'm not no before I'm player be didn't come I take permission from you say coach. Say let me the feedback in coach in the hole. Let me feedback in coach in the hole.
If you have to suggest wingers for Kotoko.
Now I'm fuck up Kwabrameda.
This water.
Yeah.
For picture Derek Forjo.
Yeah.
Also buy. I don't know whether we should talk about it on here. And I offer.
No, I mean you're offer.
Instead of my catch or say, based on what I know, Midiama now have options for those players. Forjo, Bernardino started. But they are ready to go for big money. Oh.
So Krobia
Uska, but on say Midiama say Fan says Samates in Africa. Na Samates are Koni Plan. Born or Babo Samates, and be a Babo Kotoko. Do you get my point?
And I can't say
Forjo will love to play Kotoko. Minimum come out Forjo do one chain. What's Forjo Kumase boy? Why Asafo boy?
These are all strategies that they run a club. Now, big catch was say, Dean Hyson, Madrid Tony say, but about Mbappe, Trent, catch was a mobile free.
You might not believe it.
You might not believe it. There Forjo is a Kumase boy, make it a project. Charlie 2 years time, boy, or baby.
So Forjo, no, Niama.
Even so, say, who Samates, only Kumase from Kra.
Let's say, who Ralph school, say Ralph school, no,
Samson. Yes,
no, yes, a Dujamfi.
Yeah, these boys in a project, you follow them, but
so if Kotoko is looking for wing forwards who can score,
the refer draw, ball Steven Du, Kwabrameda, a boy, Benabini boy, no Legon cities, no. Paul
Dybala.
Paul Joseph Paul Amoa. Na has a pen on my left back.
So Joseph Paul a left back.
Sure.
Yeah, they are going to ask a pump move.
Also a left back.
What's on left back?
Left back and now a left back.
Okay, say left back in him say Legon City.
Man, I'm a coach in Division 2 or a 10.
But Legon City is the left back.
Because Omo the project. Open positions back or dry or game more left back at home. But now about 20 players in the town. It's you are not about Division 2 as 10 now, make us a coach in no. Or call Legon, and say Piquet, another coach who develop players.
Masseman.
Then Benab Alaji had to beg him say, oh, or he left. My name Rahamame.
No, Bimbo.
No, you be more mammy no offend developer. Joseph Polamo or boy 11 man or about 10 hour.
But you're talking about natural wingers in the league.
Oh, of course. And
but natural more wing forwards that can also what steady Kotoko Brown is the forwards or the wingers aren't contributing to the goal scoring. So you now need wingers.
Wingers now none of them the bit me on the AP except the refer John Evans. So Kwabra made that Steven Du. And Kuana Yano go stars and Osho go so not in back or be a country member.
Untim said near car.
Me not do come away
pressure on to me or bow one over the bar some about go stars or over the bar dear chon no. So a bonus are
the refer draw and pressure every
no I feel more medium area.
Then you bring
so between Forjo and Osatete, who will go
for Forjo?
Because of Kumasi vibe now.
There be Kumasi out of my discussion now. Forjo.
Go for Forjo.
Forjo. Osai has power, but he needs time on the ball.
so bit slow down.
Osa side dominant left.
Yes, se Kotoko nim enu bi na Kotoko ni.
Fodjo gives you the two.
Oboha.
And Fodjo gives you everything Osa brings on the board. But the Fodjo will be any Osa. Fodjo will speed or dribbling. Osa ni bi. But Osa Bema, Osa one occasionally with me a mouse, baby a shot to keep a crab dodge or power from distance from any range. But he has to have that under the comfort.
But
Fodjo can score from nowhere. If you Fodjo the ha, it's a movie but 9 positions. Fodjo is matured now for Kotoko. He's really grown for Kotoko.
New, Go Stars, I wish more the best for Africa.
Yes, I wish more the very best.
Because more yes secret recruitment. Wow.
Oh, your squad. We've done a lot of discussions on your presentations. It's why they love me in there. Maybe per grounds I'm a environment and all a fertile. Now, yes, I'm pay. As when I'm kind see you, and yes, a pay no just can we are who are coaching Pewasem. Now you know it's no there has to be a discussion. To be a coach, that's what someone saw more Jumaye. Koha, Mihiam Brukum Chelsea.
You go ha. A Jumani and the China Ketria.
You are not learning, you are not growing. At some point, results in a long term, Emma, a Piscanibus easy. You might give me your modi. But you don't know Yejran. Sometimes some of the decisions you grow will take here, plus on our contract. My country say I had money near you, so all those issues. I'm a house of folk. We need to take a straight decisions, and I was honest with them. I better not go to Ali Huzaif, Ibrahim La, Prince Kwabena Wusu, Yaya Dramani, Mauli Wayo, Farouk. Omina corner was issue. Be any for no. Could say do a coffee boys way, say. Oh, new, what is that? He squad him for free. But media, I understand, said that is football. And when you know, I also understand, say, maybe to answer has it's virtually starting from the scratch because everything I've done, no, enough to give you the first step, just the first step. The forefront I was because
I hand your background, me, I'm a fire. Oh, you have one mistake, me, I'm a fire.
No more you do.
No fire, no pressure, boss.
Your fire, me fire me.
Oh, to me, fire me. When is all your coach to fire? Share. Nanko, one can I drink today? So, you're the neck can I drink today? Won't mean Casa.
Game B, Thomas Dia, also a barge road. Just touchlight. Coach Thomas, you only say, only say, also 10 was more, say.
Never promise, yeah, Coach, I'm
Mr. Coach, mention a title will be say, Jimmy. Hey,
pressure. But I understand, Go Stars, you have the freedom to do things. My idea.
Krana, the boys, my coach.
I'm Chelsea go to the answer.
Now, what do you be a media man? They don't know what I'm saying.
Go away.
Menkai, but
okay,
I'm not the go be a two, you know.
Kukuru bay.
When I am calling my woman,
oh,